There are many drawer organizer products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best drawer organizers from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. HomeCore Silverware Organizer. Rating 4.5. HomeCore upgraded silverware organizer, boasting 9 compartments and 2 knife block inserts. 3 expandable panels on the left, right, and top maximize space for silverware, cutlery, jewelry, stationery, and kitchen utensils. Streamline your kitchen drawer and create additional room with our versatile silverware drawer organizer. We offer 2 space-saving, removable knife holder inserts that ensure convenient access to your knives while seamlessly integrating with the expandable silverware drawer organizer and utensil organizer. Designed for practicality, these individual slots for knives keep blades protected and sharp, reducing the risk of damage and extending their lifespan. Number 4. Grow Forward Drawer Organizer. Rating 4.7. Cut down on clutter and tidy up loose items with these bamboo drawer organizer boxes that beautifully match your drawers, cabinets, and home. Your creativity has no limit when it comes to planning and organizing your areas with this 14-piece nesting bamboo organizer box set in 4 assorted sizes. These bamboo organizer drawer boxes offer an intentional diversity of sizes designed to be large enough to easily fit your most important items, jewelry, and cosmetics. The nesting design is greener and more efficient, reducing the packaging, waste, and shipping impact on the environment. This also reduces our costs, enabling us to pass the savings on to you. Number 3. Bellcell Silverware Organizer. Rating 4.7. Our bamboo silverware drawer organizer is designed with 5 to 7 compartments. Thanks to its adjustable features, our expandable drawer organizer can be expanded from 10 to 15 inches wide, perfect for any kitchen drawer. Do you get anxious because you can't find ladles when cooking? With our silverware tray for the drawer, you can see all your cutlery at once, keeping anything you need at hand. No more finding, no more angry. Just enjoy cooking and relax. Our organizer in the drawer is made from natural bamboo that has grown for more than 4 years. Every bamboo flatware organizer for drawer is handmade by senior craftsmen to ensure smooth surface without burrs. You can safely let your family or children use our drawer organizer tray. Number 2. LifeWit Utensil Organizer. Rating 4.7. Featuring 3 large compartments, 13.4-inch L x 3.5D, and 2 expandable slots on the side, 14 L x 4.7D. This utensil organizer offers ample space for storing most cooking utensils in the kitchen, such as spatulas, ladles, tongs, utensil sets, and whisks. Crafted from BPA-free PP material, this cutlery drawer organizer guarantees the safety of all your utensils, silverware, and flatware. Cleaning is a breeze as well. Simply rinse with water to remove stains. With its solid bottom panel, attached dividers, and sturdy support frame, this cooking utensil organizer ensures that your utensils do not slide under the dividers. The curved grooves ensure convenient access to utensils, while the unique edge design allows for effortless movement. Number 1. Pipichel Silverware Drawer. Rating 4.8. Crafted from high-quality PP plastic, the BPA-free kitchen drawer organizer offers long-lasting durability with exceptional hardness to resist wear and tear from silverware and utensils. The cutlery tray ships in carton packaging to avoid damage during transit. With a smooth PP plastic surface, this silverware drawer organizer resists both water and stains. The durable material is easy to clean by simply rinsing with water to remove debris. With this low-maintenance drawer organizer, you can maintain hygiene and minimize wear to the inside of your kitchen drawers. While ideal for kitchen organization, this silverware organizer is also a practical solution for storing tools or office supplies. With 8 total slots, you can neatly separate items for fast and easy access to save time and effort. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.